kind of tired of being online all the time, school, and hanging out online on video games with my friends. Why don't we take our jacket and head outside and see what we could do? Hey guys, I am here at Ski Big Bear at Masthope Mountain, and I'm gonna get a snowboard lesson.
How's it going, Zoe? I'm Nick. I'm gonna be your instructor today. Have you ever snowboarded before?
No.
No, this is your first time?
I started off my first ever snowboard lesson by meeting my instructor, Nick. He went over some of the basics.
So this part right here is your heel edge. This part is your toe edge. You see the metal pieces that go all the way around? That's what's gonna help you turn, stop, slow down.
Then it was time to get on the board. Nick showed me how to move around and walk. It was a little hard to balance at first.
There you go. You all right?
Yeah. It's okay though. Learning to fall and get back up is the next part of the lesson.
Perfect.
Okay, it's time to start surfing on the snow. After a few practice runs on the flat ground outside the snow sports school, it was time to head over to the beginner slope. There were lots of kids my age and younger learning to ski or snowboard, and that gave me a boost of confidence. I had some slips and falls, but I made it down the hill. My instructor, Nick, gave an update on my progress.
Especially with new people who have never snowboarded before, it's hard to get that edge control and not lean back or forwards when they're digging those edges in. So right now, Zoe just needs to work a little bit on keeping her head and shoulders over that board and learning to get that balance down.
One of the fun things once you make it down the hill is riding the magic carpet back up to the top.
So you don't actually have to get on a chairlift to go up the mountain, which could be intimidating to a new skier, but you know, after you do the magic carpet a few times and you do that easier run, and then you're excited to actually get on that chairlift and take that big ride in the sky, you know, and go on a more advanced trail.
Ski Big Bear at Masthope Mountain has a great snow sports school if you're looking to head out for the first time. To book your next lesson, head to skibigbear.com.
And it is a great family activity. Mom and dad and the kids can get out here together and take a group lesson or a private lesson individually. They can progress at their own individual rate.
Try to keep those toes up, all right?
I learned a lot in my 1-hour lesson, and hopefully next time I hit the slopes, I can carve the mountain like plenty of skiers and snowboarders were. Hey guys, I had a lot of fun here. Getting a snowboard lesson and everything. You guys could come out too and get a snowboard lesson or have some fun over here. I'm Zoey Gregory for the Pocono Television Network.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Pocono Tourism YouTube channel and click the bell button below to be the first to watch new videos. You can also click the link on the screen to watch more episodes of Pocono Mountains Magazine.